Hello everyone, this is Harry from Iris Communication. Here I am again with a notebook. This notebook is burned. The motherboard is destroyed of this notebook. It was burned due to the heat processing, and that means I lose all the documents. Exactly, but no. In this video I want to show you how you can recover your document that is lost. That means your notebook is burned or is not open more, and you're worried for your document. Sometimes the notebook is not important. The important is the document. All the document of your life, the 3 years, 4 years, or sometimes 10 years you have in one notebook. And as you see, this notebook I open and I click the power button, is doing nothing. That means the power is gone, the power supply is gone, and also the motherboard. I check all, but it's all done. It's a good one. It's a HP Entertainment PC DB4. What can we do? Nothing. So I want to show you how you can recover your document. First of all, you need a screwdriver for this process. Here is one. I have a common screwdriver, 4-headed. Okay, I have to flip this notebook one side gently. Okay, here almost all the notebooks have the hard drive at this part, at the down. It could be different in IBM or another. In Acer also is here or this side. You have to check the icon of the hard drive. Here is 3 discs indicate here is the hard drive. Here is the RAM. You don't need to open the RAM for back up your document or recover your document. Okay, you just need to open this case. Okay, I will lose this screw. Here are 2 screws. After losing it gently, you have to take off the cover. Here is the hard drive. Normally you will have screw this part or this part, 2 sides of the hard drive, or any other side. You have to check where is the screw is connected with the hard drive. And be careful with the hard drive. Always never touch here of the hard drive, never, because it could destroy your hard drive. You have to drag. If you see the port of the hard drive, this is a SATA hard drive. If you see the port is here, you have to drag opposite direction to the port. Gently hold the hard drives as this. Okay, this is done. Now we need to connect this hard drive to any PC, means any desktop PC that have additional SATA port. You must remember, this is a SATA hard drive. You need a port of SATA. Is ID, it will not work. Okay, I have 2 PC here. I shut down this one. Okay, after shutting down, what I need to do, first of all, you need to disconnect few cables. The first one is the power cable. The second one is the monitor, because these cables have the earthing. Okay. After disconnecting these cables, what you need to do, you have to open your cabinet or CPU and search the SATA ports. Here is one and here is other. I have, this is the power connector, and the other is for the motherboard. This will go to the motherboard. What we need to do now, we need a small box, could be some normal box as this, put near to the cabinet and gently put the hard drive on it. After that, connect gently the power connector. As you normally see, the power connector is big. You have to match the holes, and the other connector is a small, so you have to put here. Okay, let me do. You have to match the holes. Okay, I connect one and the other. Okay, I connect both the cable, both the SATA at the hard drive. Now, one thing, if you don't have additional cable connected at your PC, you can take off from your CD drive. For example, here is my CD drive. It has two ports. One is the go to the motherboard, other is the power connector. You can remove is the same. You can remove from the CD drive. You can put at the additional hard drive that I took from the notebook. But never disconnect your hard drive that for example, this is my hard drive of this desktop. You should not disconnect this one. After doing this, what we need to do, just click the power button of your PC. Click the power button and I have to wait. The power is on. We have to wait for the PC. Okay, it is starting. Windows is booting now, and we have to wait a few more minutes, few more seconds. Exactly, welcome. And we have to wait the window detects the hard drive or not. If window found something, it will show at the corner. Yes, it's installing something, device driver software. We have to wait for till it's finished. It is still working. See, is detect the hard drive Hitachi STS543225L94380A device. Go at my computer, and here is, this is my C drive and this is my drive E. Here is a new drive D I have, and F. This is recovery 10 gigabytes of the HP recovery, and this is the C drive of this notebook. Whenever you connect any hard drive to your PC, you must first check with the antivirus. You don't know which type of virus you have at your notebook. I have AVG. I click for the check the antivirus. It could take time so much, 30 minutes to 1 hour or 10 minutes, it depends. Okay, I already know my hard drive. This is the hard drive of this notebook. I click enter. As you see, all the system file and the user program files. Go at your user. Here you will see the two folder. The folder could be at your name or public or anything else. You just need to check public. I click at the public. Here the public documents. No, this is not. The another is on the name. Say properties. I click, it asks me the permission because this is the folder where you have all the documents of your notebook. That means the files, music, songs, pictures, all. Okay, after waiting a long, finally it's open. Here is all the documents of your computer. This is the desktop folder. What you had at your desktop you will see here. This is download folder, all the downloads, the favorites, links, my document, most important, all your documents, music, pictures, video, all. What you need to do, copy all this, select all together with the mouse, click at the right button of the mouse. Here is one option, it's called copy. Copy this and select at your document of your desktop, and at empty space click at the right button of the mouse, click paste. One more time I want to show you. This is my C, and whenever you see some additional drive, that means that is the drive that you connect the hard drive. For example, this is 222 gigabyte. This is additional drive I never had in my PC, and this one too. This one is 10 gigabyte, that means it's recovery, and this is more, that means this is your drive. You know which drive you had at your notebook. Okay, you need to click this one and you have to search user. Here is user. In user, your name could be that folder could be your name. For example, this is mine, and you will see all this, the contact, desktop, all the document. You just need to copy and paste at your desktop. So this is how you can recover your datas, the documents, the music, videos, all from your dead netbook. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, if you face any difficulty for doing this process, you can leave me some comment and I will try to answer you as much as fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the RS Communication, www.rscommunication.com. Good night, ciao.